Come test drive this 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.